Are you looking for the best electric wok? In this video we will look at some of the best electric wok on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Aroma Housewares AEW Grillet. Do you love stir fries or grilled steaks? The Aroma Housewares AEW model may just be for you. This 3-quart electric wok has a 10-inch grilling surface. Imagine the variety of food you can cook with this wok. When it comes to cooking, this wok is the epitome of versatility. You can use it to grill, stew, simmer, stir fry, slow cook, boil, and saute. You can tell that it is well designed to meet your kitchen needs. If you'll frequently use this aluminum wok for cooking, you'll love the fact that it is quick and hassle-free to clean. After cooking, you can easily detach the parts and load the wok into your dishwasher. And since the parts are detachable, storage is also easy. Moreover, another good thing about this 3-quart capacity electric wok is that it allows you to easily manipulate the cooking temperature from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. With precise heating and multiple temperature controls, you'll be more confident with your cooking. Number 2. Aroma Housewares AEW 305. Just like Breville, Aroma Housewares created for them a good name in the kitchen tools industry. In particular, they have a wide variety of electric woks for your different needs, and the AEW 305 is one of their best sellers. Easy to clean, portable and convenient to use, this model is a perfect gift to someone who enjoys preparing meals at home. Its capacity is 5 quarts, which is perfect for 2 to 4 people. With the classic dome design and rounded bottom of the Aroma Housewares AEW 305 electric wok, it works great for making quick meals as well as for stir fries, braising, frying and boiling. You'll be able to use less oil than you usually would. If you look closely at this heating element, you'll notice that it has a wide convex curve which allows for better heat distribution. This feature plus the fact that it is made of heavy-duty cast aluminum is vital as they help seal the flavor of the food. Additionally, like what most home cooks would want, this AEW 305 electric wok unit is dishwasher safe. You can easily detach the base for easy storage. Number 3. Presto 59001500. We consider the Presto 5900 electric wok as one of the best electric woks for a good reason. Weighing just 5.25 pounds, it's amazing how it can have such a huge capacity of 7 quarts. And looking at its overall construction, it's obvious that it has so much to offer for beginner and experienced cooks alike. This 7-quart electric wok is very straightforward to use. You can adjust the temperature through the dial, allowing you to choose warm, 200, 250, 300, 350, and 400 degrees Fahrenheit. With these available heating options, you'll be able to use this electric wok for warming your food, sautéing, boiling and stir-frying, among others. The Presto 5900 has a durable stainless steel body with a 1500-watt heating element. It features side loop handles and a tempered glass lid with stainless steel rim. Both the wok and lid are dishwasher safe. Number 4. VonShef 7.4QT. This is one of the best wok when it comes to size and capacity. It has a 7.4-quart capacity which will fit roughly 29.5 cups of stew, soup or other delicious dishes. Surprisingly, it only weighs 5.5 pounds as it is made of lightweight aluminum. Looking at its interior features, this 14-inch wok has a non-stick coating to prevent oil and food from sticking. Not only that, but this type of coating also allows for healthy cooking techniques that require less oil, such as stir-frying. This product will not fail, is easy to use as it has fully adjustable temperature control. It is fitted with a rotary dial that lets you select one from its 4 heat settings: warm, low, medium and high. Being able to easily adjust the temperature is a must to help you achieve better results when dealing with delicate dishes. But what makes this wok stand out is its cool touch heat-resistant silicone handles and lid. Not many models have silicone handles. Both components ensure your safety.